Hi everyone, welcome to Eden My Garden. Today I'm going to show you a special way how to plant coriander from seed, cilantro. And there's three main things that you need to consider. Cilantro doesn't like hot weather, cool weather. So I seeded my coriander here, as you could see, beautiful and luscious, in the early spring. And before I sow the seed, I soak them overnight, so make them quicker to sprout and for the seedling to come up. So if we look down here, how beautiful, luscious this coriander is. I'm surprised myself because last year all my coriander bolted because it was too hot and I used the wrong seed. And the second trick is to buy seed that's slow to bolt. You can get them anywhere in the supermarket or online in the garden center. And thirdly, put them in the shade. And here part of a garden doesn't have sun in the morning, only afternoon sun, which is nice and gentle sun and good soil and lots of water. So I am so pleased. This is like first time ever my coriander is blooming and it's luscious, and the smell here is really gorgeous. Okay, we are going to harvest some, and you're going to see how luscious and how long they are. And coriander in the shop, and I see they are very expensive. A small bunch of coriander is like $3 because you know they are very difficult to plant. Oh, look at this. So oh, that smell absolutely gorgeous. You can put them in chutneys, in rice, in curries, in salads. Oh, and I believe they would grow back again, depend on the weather. It's been really hot here, so I don't know how much will grow back. And just need to be a bit patient with coriander because you know it doesn't like the heat. And you know the Bible said those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Gardening is the same, and you have to be patient, you have to wait, you have to be very, you know, the water, have a lot of time consuming to give to your plant. And with God is the same. Those who wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. I don't know what you're waiting today for your healing, for your marriage to heal, or for your child to get proper with God, or your finance. And you know, sometimes there's season for everything. Obviously this is the season for harvest, but I just want to encourage you, whatever you're going through, wait upon the Lord, trust in Him. And God is a faithful God. He's a healing God. He's a good God. And we do go through suffering. We do go through hard time. But you know, hear the Lord God, because He's saying, wait, you know, wait, the time will come. And God, let me tell you something, God is never early, He's never late, He's always on time.